Emma was 26 years old. She had a dream, but every year she found another reason to wait. She wanted to start her own business, travel to new places, and write a book. But she always said, maybe next month, maybe next year. I need more time. One rainy afternoon, she was walking home after another long day at work when she noticed a small coffee shop she had never seen before. A wooden sign above the door read, "The Coffee Shop Where Time Stopped." Curious, she stepped inside. The room was warm and quiet. Soft music played in the background. There were only a few customers, and none of them seemed to be in a hurry. An old man behind the counter smiled and said, "Welcome. Please have a seat. Here, time moves differently." Emma laughed politely and ordered a cup of coffee. When she looked at her phone, the time was 4:15 p.m. She took a slow sip of her coffee and relaxed. She talked with the old man about life, dreams, and fear. They spoke for what felt like 2 hours. Before leaving, Emma checked her phone again. It still showed 4:15 p.m. She thought her phone had frozen. She walked outside and looked at the large clock across the street. It also showed 4:15 p.m. Everything outside was exactly the same as when she entered. She walked back into the coffee shop and asked, "How is this possible?" The old man smiled gently and said, "Time never stopped. Your excuses did. For the first time in a long time, you were fully present." Emma was confused. The old man continued, "Most people think they need more time, but what they really need is more attention. You cannot change yesterday, and tomorrow has not arrived. Your life is built in this moment." Emma sat quietly. His words stayed in her mind. She realized she had spent years waiting for the perfect moment. She was always preparing, always planning, but never beginning. The old man placed a small notebook on the table. On the first page, only one sentence was written. "The life you want begins with the decision you make today." Emma read it again and again. It was such a simple sentence, yet it felt powerful. She finished her coffee, thanked the old man, and walked outside. This time the clock changed to 4:16 p.m. Only 1 minute had passed. She smiled because she knew something inside her had changed forever. That evening she opened her laptop and started writing the first page of her book. It was not perfect, but it was a beginning. The next week, she signed up for an online business course. A month later, she launched a small online store. It did not become successful overnight. She made mistakes. She faced problems. Some days were difficult, but she no longer waited for the perfect time. She understood that progress is more important than perfection. Every small step moved her closer to the life she wanted. Months passed, and Emma became more confident. She met new people, learned new skills, and discovered abilities she never believed she had. One day, she walked down the same street and searched for the mysterious coffee shop. It was gone. In its place stood an empty building. She asked a nearby shop owner, "Was there ever a coffee shop here?" The man looked surprised and said, "No, I have worked here for 20 years. There has never been a coffee shop in that building." Emma smiled softly. Maybe the coffee shop had been real. Maybe it had only appeared when she needed it most. Or maybe it was simply a reminder that life changes the moment we decide to change ourselves. As she continued walking, she looked at the busy people around her. Everyone seemed to be rushing, chasing tomorrow, forgetting today. Emma whispered to herself, "I will not wait any more." She knew success does not belong to the smartest people or the luckiest people. Success belongs to those who begin, even when they are afraid. Remember this lesson. You do not need more time to change your life. You need one brave decision, one small action, and the courage to keep moving. Every great journey starts with a single step. Every successful person was once a beginner, and every new chapter begins the moment you stop waiting and start living.